Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 21 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the key or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. 7 seats in place at the moment, so you can see the boot space as a 7-seater. We've also got the parcel shelf and charging cable for the hybrid element of the vehicle. Dropping the seats down is easy. Lift that up, the headrest will drop down, and then you'll be able to fold the seat down, and the same of course for the other one here. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through, as I mentioned already, some of the controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle of the car though, you can see it is in fantastic condition the entire way around it. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer and the total miles for the car. They are 32,568. On the right-hand side, you've got the gauge that shows you how much of the hybrid power you're using. Within that section, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, of course. We are in park at the moment. And then beneath that, the battery charge level and the fuel gauge for the car as well. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have cruise control. We have buttons over here to change the information displayed there. We've got voice activation for your phone as well. And then into the center, the main touch screen for the vehicle. So this button will bring you back to the home screen. You can swipe across for various options, as you can see. And then you can go across the other way as well, should you wish to. So this way, for example, you can see AM, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio, USB input, iPod input as well. You can access all of those from this panel just here, should you wish to. We have our satellite navigation at the top of that section, and you can pair your phone just here as well. At the bottom of that section, we have our climate control menu. So you can determine where you'd like the air distributed. We can turn our air conditioning off. Back on again, we can adjust the fan speed within the car. You can put the system into auto if you like. The car will then take full control for you to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. And to adjust the temperatures, either use this slider or tap whichever temperature you would like for the driver and passenger. We've also got a number of seat options, as you can see. So air-conditioned seats with 3 different settings, heated seats with, again, 3 different settings, and we've got a heated steering wheel with 3 different settings. And on the passenger side, the air-conditioned and heated seat options for you. On top of all of that, this car has got a full 360 parking camera. So a bird's eye view image of where the car is parked right now. You can change that view by tapping any one of those cameras. So front facing, for example, and rear facing. Very, very easy to use. Below that, we have our physical stereo control. So the volume is on this dial. For example, you can skip tracks if you're listening to music this way as well. We can open this section up with some storage inside there, a 12-volt charging socket, loads of storage through the middle, including these 2 cup holders, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This dial switches the car off, which is what I've just done, and starts it back up again. You can change the driving mode of the car. We've also got an electric handbrake with an auto hold system as well, so you can turn that on or off. Last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. There is a sunblind that will open all the way to the back of those rear seats, which, as you can see, lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. You can leave it like that if you wish to, or you can open this front section here as a tilt and slide sunroof as well. And that opens up all the way above that rear one to give you a nice big sunroof area, as you can see. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope is the spare key, 2 keys in total of course. We have the V5 registration document and then the service book for the car, which shows the pre-delivery inspection in 2021 and then in services in 2022, 23 and 2024 as well. all that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.